Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. So before I forget, Happy Mother's Day is coming up. Love you guys. Hope all of you mothers out there have a wonderful Mother's Day. Now, I've got another unboxing. Got a bunch of these in. And this one is my Box by Fashionsta. It's the Box by Fashionsta. This is $24.99 a month. And you get an outstanding value every month. Great makeup, skincare products. Absolutely love this subscription. I was fortunate enough to be one of the first ones to get in on this. So I've been getting it for about a year and a half now since they started. Loving it. I do also get the men's subscription for my 16-year-old son. And he's been a pain in my butt lately with getting him to record because with school and work. He's just such a busy boy. But either way, I will have that unboxing for you very soon and let you see what he got, because the men's box was really good this month too. Now, as I already stated, $24.99 a month, and it comes packaged very nicely, and you get a card each month. And this month's theme is Bloom, Out of the Ordinary. Very pretty. And of course, on the back of the card is a list of all the products that are inside the box. So let's get right into it and see what we've got this month. Now, obviously, the first thing is always these little squiggly worm things, which drive me absolutely crazy. But I'm okay with that because my stuff doesn't break. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is a nice good size box of something from the Green Company, and it is reusable cotton rounds. Okay, I love stuff like this. I use like cotton rounds like that every day for toners, for micellar waters, everything. So this specifically says it retails for $13.95 for the complete package. These are 100% natural, eco-friendly, reusable, as I said, washable, and vegan. Open her up, which was not easy. That packaging wasn't agreeing with me. So this is really cool. Okay, so it comes obviously in this cute little bag, and you can wash them inside the bag. So that makes it super easy, and they don't end up like lost socks in your washer. But this is what they look like. So one side seems to have like more exfoliating, and then the other side is super soft. And look at how many you get. That's actually flippin' awesome. And plus it's only, what did I say, it was $13.95 for the package. That's really cool. I actually love this. I love stuff like this, especially because they're reusable, eco-friendly, you know, anything like that I like. Okay, moving on. Next is this baby, and I actually did see this in one of the spoilers. It's called a Ready Jet Set Beauty Baton. Now, this retails for $32. So this baby's not cheap. It says a one stick with multi-benefits. It's an on-the-go multitasking stick. It has no rolls and interchangeable ends. So you can completely customize your baton. I think that's super cool. Now, the one I got is Sculpt and Shine. It's a highlighter and contour stick baton. So, from what I believe, they're dual-ended. But, how cool is that? That you can actually customize it. Okay, so here's the highlighter side. That's really pretty. Okay, and then there's the contour side. That's super cool. Now, how do you interchange it? Ooh, look at it, just unscrews. So, see? So, you obviously can buy more of these little refills. Screw it back in, put the top on, and you're ready to go for whatever you're doing. I actually think that's super cool. That's really neat. Okay, what else do we got? Next is this thing. Okay, it's by Julep. When Pencil Met Gel. This one is a $12 gel eyeliner. Ooh, y'all, look at the color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We never get colors like this in our boxes. We always get like black or brown. Oh, y'all, look at it. This is super cool. I'm so excited. Look at it. So it's obviously something you sharpen. But let's see how, but it says it's gel. So, oh my gosh, that's so silky. That went on so easy. I literally have this almost exact color in my cart on another brand website. So Mama don't need it because she got one. Okay, this is actually, look at it. It's not really like moving. That's really cool. I'm so happy I got this. Oh, I love this subscription. Okay, moving on. It is this really pretty thing from Soleil. It is a Miracle Protector Spray. And this is a gorgeous glass bottle. This retails for $35. And it helps strengthen and protect your hair from daily use of thermal tools. That's awesome. It's suitable for all hair types, and it is completely cruelty-free. Okay, next, all right, we still got two more things, is from Bella Pierre. It's a lipstick and liner duo. That's really cool, and that color looks beautiful. So the Bella Pierre lipstick and liner duo retails for $25. It's a richly pigmented matte lipstick and a coordinating lip liner. And last but not least is something by Cleo Noir. And it's a 4-pan shadow palette. And she retails for $32. $32. That's pricey for a 4-pan palette. But it is super pretty. Look at that. 2 shimmers and then 2 neutrals, mattes. So, very, very pretty palette. I love my neutrals. But I will probably pass this along to one of you guys just because I've got a ton of palettes right now, or too many. Anyway, so like I said, this does retail for $32, and it's a blendable pigmented full spectrum creamy rich formula that stays put without the mess of excess fallout, and it's cruelty free, which I think almost everything in the box that we get our cruelty-free products. What do we think? For the April 2021, the Box by Fashionsta. It was a really good box. And to top it off, the total value is almost $150 for under $25. It's $149.95 for all these products. So I am over the moon. So thrilled with everything that I got. That teal colored eyeliner from Julep. Y'all, Mama's wearing that tomorrow. Couple things for giveaways, and that refillable baton, multi-use baton. That's super cool. Let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. Let me know. So that is it. Thanks as always for coming to hang out with me. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you like all things beauty, skincare, mature beauty, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways, please smash that subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much, and it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. Love you bunches. And again, I hope everyone has a wonderful Mother's Day. I will talk to y'all soon, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.